Welcome to Mavila, your premier condominium community. Nestled where is going to be the second golf course by Jack Nicklaus and with resort-style amenities. Let's check it out. Mavila is designed to be a true village, centered around the 162 condominiums units in the community, offering 2 and 3 levels. Homeowners can choose to become members of the Quivira community through the family-oriented lifestyle. Now being created at Mavila. Pueblito Village is the core of the community, an ideal place for families. These designs are available with floor plans ranging from 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, or 3 bedrooms. Plans can include patios, garden, and covered rooftop terraces for barbequing and outdoor entertainment. Construction is of the highest quality, using neutral color schemes, red tiles roof, and traditional wood beams, with landscaping that reflects the natural environment. Single-family residents are available in an area overlooking the Jack Nicklaus designed golf course. Ownership of Mavila provides full access to the wealth of amenities available throughout Quivira Los Cabos. Within the Mavila community itself, residents also have many convenient recreation features and amenities, including a large pool, salon for events, a gym, and much more. At Mavila, we offer a variety of property options to suit your lifestyle needs. From a studio apartment starting $278,000 to luxury penthouses with 1 bedroom and spacious condos featuring 2 and 3 bedrooms. And here's the best part, we provide direct financing for up to 10 years, making your dream home more attainable than ever. Contact me for more details.